Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today we're going to be working on this travel trailer behind me. Lady called, she's got an extended warranty. She's got a whole laundry list of stuff to do. I don't honestly know how much I'm going to video, but I did want to video this one thing. The first thing was, yesterday they ran the slide room out and then it wouldn't come back in. And first time, I don't think the camper's been used for quite a while, so it's been a while since the room was out. And so I get here and get a little history. She said it seemed to go out just fine, and when they went to run it in, just nothing. And I went in, I verified that. I pushed the rocker switch to go in, nothing, out, nothing, not a click, no nothing. The first thing I did was seeing what kind of room mechanism is. This is electric, probably a Lippert slide room, and so it's going to have an electric motor running a big screw, and then you've got a timing bar across the two supports underneath the room to keep everything timed. All right, so I come in here and I look just for grins and giggles, but I know there shouldn't be anything in the panel box for the slide room. So I went to the panel box anyway, just to verify. I look at all my 12-volt fuses. All right, now if there had been a breaker in here, a 12-volt breaker, okay, that possibly could be for the slide room. But all fuses, probably not. So at that point, assuming that there's no thermal overload in the panel box, we go up front. Usually, if you're going to have 12-volt breakers in line for stuff like this room, they're going to be close to the battery. So let me show you what we found. So there's the battery, there's the cables going back there, so I'm going to lay down and show you what I found. So I get under here, I bring my trusty multimeter with me, because anytime you're working on electrical stuff, you got to have a meter. So I come under here. All right, here's a 12-volt breaker. Here's another 12-volt breaker. All right. The first thing I see is this nut is about to fall off. So this wire right here is loose. So I go, okay, well, that looks like it could be a problem. So I just tighten the nut up by hand, like so. And let's go inside and see if maybe that was our problem. If that's our problem, we'll get a socket and we'll snug that on up. Well, let's just go see what happens. All right, so we're inside the camper. Here's our slide switch. Let's see what happens. Oh, looky. All right, I got some more work to do this thing, so I'm gonna run it back out while I do the rest of the work. So we're going to file this one under do your visual inspections, because sometimes it's super simple. We had a loose wire. So, you know, this is a quickie. If you've made it this far in the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to stay right here and try and fix some other stuff. I don't know what I'm on a video. We got a furnace that's inoperative. We got an air conditioner that's inoperative. Seems like there's something else on the list. We already fixed the slide room. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.